Hello friends, in this video I intend to teach you how to withdraw USDT TRC20 in the StarTrader broker. You click on Funds and then click on Withdraw Funds. You select your desired account in this section, choose the amount you want to withdraw, and if you want to withdraw the entire amount automatically, you click on Max. Finally, you click on Continue. You enter your TRC20 receiving address in this section, and if you wish me to add an important message, you can type your desired message by clicking here. And finally, click on Submit. A code will be sent to your email for withdrawal confirmation. You click on Send Code, and you copy the sent code and enter it in this section. Finally, you click on Confirm, and your withdrawal request is successfully submitted. To check the status of your transactions, click on Transaction History, and as you can see, in the Withdrawals section, this amount has been sent to our wallet. Good luck!